Welcome to the next video, everyone. One of our clients approached us and she wanted an L-shaped sofa. So we decided to get into work. Now the differences between this kind of chairs and the ones we make is that this one now has got partitions. So right now we are weaving the center. The center connects two other types of chairs. So it has to be kind of square, but square cut into half. As you can see, this is what we are weaving. Thereafter, what usually happens after weaving, we usually try and cover the holes with this kind of belt. We call it a belt ourselves, because once you weave this, you intertwine this belt, it usually covers the hole so that at least the chair is able to be complete. Then the next part on the face, at the bottom, we had to intertwine. As you can see what our weaver is doing right there. This kind of weaving is called intertwining. It's like crosses, several crosses. As you can see what it's doing there. Usually it takes a lot of time, but it comes out with a very good finish. So on this part, you are trying to fix the leg studs. So first of all, we had to have the boards fixed permanently underneath. Then from there we had to screw. We had to screw the board, the frame. Thereafter, we had to make sure the legs are fixed. As you can see. Now these legs, they are slanting. They are not supposed to be straight. Yeah, so that is how the sofa started looking. As you can see, it started taking shape. So the next we had to make cushions. That is how it looked like when it is finished. Our client was very happy to have this sofa. Oh, my cousin decided